Union Pacific Mail number 5-7. It's really the Overland Mail. So a lot of the cars that will come off the SP 22 or go to 21 will be on this train. However, this one carries 2 coaches, a cafe lounge, and a 664. Notice the 5E8s, the 4E8s, and most of the cars that were in SP22 ended up on this train heading toward the Milwaukee Road connection to Omaha. The coaches, cafe lounge, and 664 all terminate in Omaha. Here's number 13 again. Roughly a 35 to 40 car freight train here. And this will be a nice run by for today. Now the LMX is leading a BN train, which seems a lot more normal. When I was much younger, I used to see LMX led trains a lot in the Tri-Cities, Washington. We're going to try to duplicate those scenes in the future. Okay, here's our 3 U28Cs. Apparently not the most reliable unit they could pull. They also work demo. We're going to be making a somewhat interesting pickup here in a minute.